So it's been a while since I've been able to shoot a video. It's just been too hot. I've tried to get a couple that I thought I could get done before the phone overheated, but it didn't work. It's been about 115. It's overheating in less than 2 minutes. This one I'm in the shade. Should be okay. It's a pretty minor one. It should only take a few minutes. It's just curb rash right here. And I think that's it. So let me go ahead and I'm going to sand this out with a 320 grit while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use, I will start working on this one. Again, we're just going to sand this damage out with the 320. I might have to use the grinder right here. It is fairly deep, but it should sand out. That'll work. Now we're going to scuff this up with the 1500 grit scuff pad. Get it ready for paint. Get the dust wiped off the wheel and the tire. I'm going to be using Sonic Silver on this one. This paint, all my paints are linked in the description below. Every paint that I stock is now listed in the description. This wheel would have also been fine with the medium silver. I already had Sonic Silver in my paint gun, so I went with that.